Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off this auto rotate screen in your Motorola phone device. Guys, you want to off this auto rotate screen in your Motorola phone, so as you can off here guys, when you use YouTube and guys any app, and guys when you rotate guys, you can see it's automatic rotate. So you want to off this setting so as you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off it in our Motorola phone device. So first of all guys, open your phone setting. So you can see guys this rotate setting. So I scroll and guys you can see your display setting. So guys tap here and guys scroll advanced, again scroll guys, and guys you can see your auto rotate screen. We will off from this right side. So as you can see guys, your phone will not rotate, as you can check. So guys now, so I hope friends you have understood how to off auto rotate screen in your Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.